What's up, squeegee slingers and water-fed pole wiggling wagglers, and welcome to the Triad Man Academy YouTube channel. Today we're talking about the Unger Nlite water-fed pole, but did you know it's also a traditional window cleaning pole? Stay tuned. So before we get into today's video, folks, I'd just like to remind you about the Triad Man Academy. If you're looking for one-to-one training and online to do with window cleaning, getting your business up and going, or just improving your existing business, check out the triadmanacademy.com. The link is in the description below. But onwards with today's video, the Unger Endlight pole. Let's have a look at this. So, some of you may have seen this pole before, the Unger Nlite, which has largely been marketed as a water-fed pole in recent months. But did you know it's now actually a traditional window cleaning pole as well? And you can simply convert it with this little end cap here, this grey attachment, which clicks into the top. So it's very, very simple and easy to use. Clicks in like so, and then your Unger end cone is on the top. Nice and easy, so you can attach all your window cleaning traditional tools onto the top of this water-fed pole, which also allows you to have this angle adapter as well. So if you've got any deep sills to get over, then this will allow you to do that. So if you were using this as primarily a water-fed pole, but you had some traditional work to do, it'd be nice and easy to swap this out, take the brush off, click this in, and away you go. It's a traditional window cleaning pole. Now, there are various different lengths of this pole. This one in my hand just now is a very short one. I use this for internals, particularly getting over customer sinks, or in residential jobs, or in commercial jobs getting over desks. The short little carbon composite pole is strong and very, very lightweight and short. You can see it's very short collapsed length, and it's ideal for working inside. But if you're doing traditional work, perhaps outside, or you've got a bit higher windows to do, there's a few more available options. If you're doing sort of up to maybe 10, 11, 12 feet, something like that, carbon composite is absolutely fine to use, which is this green one here. So part carbon. So carbon composite pole is a little bit more bendy when it gets fully extended, this one here. But if you've got high level stuff to do, so we're talking maybe anything around 18, 20, right up to 30 feet or more. I don't know if you'll be traditionally window cleaning anything up to that height, but then I would recommend going for the 24K carbon pole if you're going to be doing high level work. So low level work, carbon composite, high level work, 24K carbon. One of the things that's different about the Nlite pole as well is the shape. It's actually rounded along the top edge here and then flat on the side. So they call it the precision grip. So you can actually use this both ways round. You can either have the round side up into the palm of your hand like that, or you can turn it round and have the slightly smaller tapered edge going into the palm of your hand, and then just obviously adjust your angle adapter to suit whichever way you want to hold the pole, depending on what you find comfortable. For me, I like to have the rounded edge into the palm of my hands and the tapered edge into my fingertips, like so. It's a really nice feel to this pole. I really like it. I've been using it for water-fed pole and traditional work, and it's one of the best traditional poles I've ever used. Now, why do I say that it's one of the best traditional window cleaning poles that I've ever used? Well, one of the major reasons is the clamps. A lot of traditional window cleaning poles, the clamps are terrible. A lot of them have twist locks that eventually wear out, or don't quite clamp the pole properly, and you end up with a spinning pole. Whereas this, obviously being a water-fed pole, has those clamps that we all love and really enjoy using, and they're adjustable as well. With this little dial here, you can tighten the clamp up to suit your needs as well. So if you like it just a little bit looser and the clamps a bit easier to open, you can do that. If you like the clamps really quite tight and a bit stiffer to open, then you can just tighten up that dial to your preference. But the clamps are absolutely fantastic, and I'm really glad that I can use something like this for traditional window cleaning work as well. Now, I just want to show you quickly how easily it is to change between traditional and water-fed pole attachments. So by pushing the little yellow button on either side of here, squeeze them together with two fingers, and you just lift the end cone off like that, and the little adapter there, which is connected. Get your brush, okay? Feed that through, and then that just clicks in like so. Squeeze the two buttons together again to be able to attach that, and that is your brush on the pole ready to go. And then you just attach obviously your water fed pole set up to this on the end of here. So that's how easily it is. And then you can obviously adjust the brush head like that, so it is ready to go. So it's literally as easy as that, and then back again. So we'll pinch the two buttons together, brush comes off, put our end comb back on, and we're back to traditional. So it's as quickly and as fast as that you can go from traditional to water fed equipment and back again. Absolutely fantastic. So a big round of applause to Unger. That's absolutely super. Really been waiting a long time for not only a good quality water fed pole that has many different features and attachments for it, but also a good quality traditional pole that can be used as well. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video today. I'll leave a few links down below to different places where you can get this pole from, both in the UK, some in Europe and USA as well. But simply obviously type in Unger Nlite into your search engine on your computer, and I'm sure you'll find a dealer near you. So hopefully that video has been helpful and enjoyable for you. If you've got any questions at all, because it can't really cover absolutely everything in the one video, any questions at all, pop them in the comments box below. That'd be absolutely super. And again, if you're looking for any training at all, triadmanacademy.com. I'll see you there. You take care, be good, and bye for now.